luxury and Roman style living. Welcome to Imperial Splendora. This project is spread across 7 lakh square feet with 9 wings of G+23 story residential and commercial complex with 1000 plus units and 1 level of podium parking, contributing approximately 500 parkings in total. Now let's have a look at 1 BHK sample flat of 470 square feet usable area. This is your spacious living room. We offer you wooden laminated main and safety doors with powder coated MS grills. Also, we offer you vitrified flooring and a well-designed POP false ceiling with additional electric junction. The light colors makes the room more spacious and adaptive to all interior design concepts. Experience smooth and tough sliding windows with a mosquito net which can bear heavy wind loads even at higher levels. Now let me show you our unique safety and security features which are available in all our apartments. With this unique indoor access control system, you can keep unwanted visitors away. Visitors will now have to input your apartment numbers at lobby and you can see the visitor on your personal screen before giving them access to your apartment. We also offer an intercom system where you can connect with your dear ones in your complex, and a notification update system where you can enjoy all the updates for society meetings and other notifications as well. Adding on to it, we have live CCTV surveillance so that when your kids are playing downstairs, you won't have to worry about them. Just turn your personal screen on and you can see their exact location. Now let me take you towards the kitchen area. This kitchen gives more of a modern and western look. With brick-style grey glazed tiles on walls, pure white and elegant designed modular kitchen with 10 shutters, 5 baskets and 4 hydraulic service loft with profile handles. Also experience a smart kitchen management with a non-obstructive space for fridge beside service platform, a fully openable sliding window and a dedicated space for washing machine in dry balcony with its electric and drainage supply in the same area. Let me show you the common bathroom area. The common bathroom is well designed in terms of space and materials. We provide you premium Jaguar plumbing fittings, Cera sanitary ware, glazed tiles on walls and anti-skid tiles on floor. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is very well designed in terms of extra cupboard spacing. We provide you anti-skid wooden finish tiles and a POP false ceiling with extra electric junction. Let's have a look at the master bathroom. The master bathroom looks rich and elegant with white and floral concept, glazed tiles on walls and anti-skid tiles on floors with Jaguar plumbing fittings and Cera sanitary ware. Experience fire sprinklers in all your rooms in case of emergency. We also offer you all necessary electrical and plumbing points to make our customer hassle-free for future alterations. So today Imperial Lifestyle has presented you with a 1 BHK variant of Imperial Splendora. I'm sure you are delighted to experience the luxurious living with us at Imperial Lifestyle Private Limited, where your family is our family.